On today's menu, one of the most incredible comfort food dishes in Chinese cooking, vegan Chinese congee.
Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Will Young. Chinese rice porridge, also called congee, or in Chinese it's called JOOK. This is super easy and absolutely amazing for the winter weather.
1 cup rice. Wash 3 to 4 times until the water becomes clear. Stock pot, medium-high heat. Salt. Stir. When the rice starts sticking to the pan, deglaze with 2 cups water. Stir. When the water has evaporated, add another 2 cups water. Stir. When the water has evaporated, add another 2 cups water. Stir. When the rice boils aggressively, remove from the heat to stir. This will prevent the hot water from splashing up. Back on the heat. 2 cups water. Continue stirring.
You know, Chinese people actually have this joke where back in the day, when we didn't have cell phones, you would call your friend on their landline, and if they had a busy signal, it means they're on the phone. You can't reach them. And Chinese people would have this joke about they're trying to call their friend and their landline is busy. So the joke is that, oh, they must be making congee, because when you make congee, you have to stand here for eternity. So you might as well be talking on the phone.
When the rice starts to resemble porridge, add 1 more cup of water and continue stirring for a few more minutes. Shimeji mushrooms. Stir for 3 to 5 more minutes. Plate.
Now remember, we didn't really season this while we were cooking the congee, so now we add whatever toppings you like.
Ginger. Peanuts. Green onion. Chili oil. Sesame oil. Soy sauce. You can now make this classic dish with absolute confidence.
Making congee is definitely the labor of love, but man, is that ever worth it. Remember to subscribe and click that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.